Hello, YouTube. This is my first video on this channel, so I apologize if it's a little bit unprofessional, but I'm here on the Tropical Tidbits site, and there's a few interesting things. So the 0Z run today of the European model is showing what looks like, let's see, a tropical storm off the west coast of Florida on around May 27. Looks like it just formed on that date, or the day before. And it's a pretty weak tropical storm because it's 996 millibar low. And again, this is like 2 weeks out, or a week and a half out. So it may change, probably will change, but something to keep an eye on. And the 12Z run from yesterday, the 16th, is showing weak tropical storm, or maybe a depression near Cuba, may go into Florida. But again, this is pretty far out. That's on the 26th. And I know GFS isn't extremely trustworthy, but around the same time, it is showing a tropical storm, and it's going into Florida. And let's see, it's about 2 millibar spacing. So this one has it a bit stronger than the European, or about the same strength. So that model is in agreement. Well, actually, this one has it even stronger at this point on the 27th, as maybe a strong tropical storm. But around the same placement off the west coast of Florida, north of Tampa, on the 27th. But the strengths are a bit of a disagreement. And that is, and the 6Z run today is showing a 990 tropical storm around the same area. This one actually has a bit more clear on the strength. So it's definitely a possibility. Again, we're still like a week and a half out, 10 days out. But it looks like it stays pretty strong going into Tennessee, and then it dissipates over like Iowa. Now this version of the GFS FV3 there's a lot of different possibilities with the different runs. So I'll start with the 18Z yesterday. And again, this is pretty far out, but looks like they actually have something in West Florida. Around the 21st, but that may not be anything major. And then looks pretty quiet. Something off the coast. That might be a mid-latitude low. But then there's something coming up from the Caribbean. And it looks pretty strong on the 26th. 963. And it has it hitting around Mobile and Pensacola. 959, so that's pretty strong. That might be like a category 2 or 3 hurricane. So that's definitely pretty strong low. But again, that's hitting, oh, that might be around the 28th. So that's still 11 days out. So it may change in the coming days, but it's definitely something to watch for. And then the next run on this 0Z today on the 17th is showing around the same strength, around 959 millibars, hitting around the central Texas coast, around where Harvey was last August, and about the same strength, roughly. But that would definitely be another thing to watch for, but it's definitely far out, because this is around June 1st. So that's definitely like nearly 3 weeks out. So it may not happen. Oh no, that's 2 weeks out, sorry. And yeah, but it's, again, it's the GFS and it's far enough out. But there is a significant change between the two runs yesterday and then today. The other one had it hitting Alabama. But the next one is showing very strong 933 hitting around the Louisiana coast. That's the 6Z run today. So that might be like a major hurricane. Maybe a category 4 actually, hitting that area. And that's very early in the season. That's May 30th. So that looks like pretty strong storm. The strongest one yet. Several of these runs are showing strong storms. And even the European model is showing a pretty good tropical storm. So it looks like around the late May is definitely a time to watch for tropical activity in the Gulf. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll probably, I guess, do like a follow-up on this like next week when the models will be a bit more trustworthy than now. But see you guys in the next one, and bye.